everyone, so here's the 2025 Acura ADX exhaust. These are the dual mufflers with 3.5-inch tips. Here's your mid pipe and front pipe with a full straight through super durable stainless steel construction. Here's a flex pipe, also constructed in T304 stainless steel. And here is the single to dual exhaust pipe. And finally, your high flowing resonator. Included with the exhaust is this box with new gaskets and installation hardware. This entire design is based on OEM specs for easy installation, from the bends and curves, the flange size, and the piping design, which is great for ground clearance. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. If you're interested, find this exhaust at functionalwerk.com.